So what that does is take off the sharp edge off the tile until they get the actual carpet in, so that when they step there, they don't get cut on their feet. Taking off all the high ridges, and so now they're grouting today. So what's happening is they take just a regular knife and they score it like a utility knife, and they score all the grout from that had come in between the tile. And in order to get a nice grout job, you have to go and scrape all the grout, down, because otherwise you'll have grout popping out if it's not done right. So that's let's see how nice the border looks. Very nice right there. It covers that concrete really well. So there it is. And here again was our wall. You can't even tell that it's been patched. Looks like the wall was always here. So now they're cleaning it up, washing it, taking off all the glue and stuff, getting it ready for the tile. I mean for the grout. So utility knife scraping all the areas so grout can go in there. That's it.